This one I'm going to show you how to use symbols and the library so you can get closer to animation. So when I first jump into Flash, I've got this character created. Whenever you do a character, it's always good to convert it to a symbol. So first off, I've got to come down here. Right now it's locked, so I got to select that layer and then go ahead and unlock it. So when selecting a character, if you just single click on it, you're only going to get part of it. So I like to just kind of click, hold, and drag that character, and hopefully it's not on the same layer as your background, otherwise you might get some issues. So click, hold, and drag to select it, and then you can go ahead and right mouse click on it and convert that into a symbol. And I usually just like to name it whatever that is symbol. And I'm just going to leave it as a movie clip and click OK. So once I've done that, now I've got this character, and it's a lot easier to move that around. One thing you do have to be careful about: if you double click on it, it'll get you back inside the character, and you can actually go in, and if you wanted to modify things or change things around, you could do that. To get out of there, either double click away from it or click back out onto the scene you're currently on. The other thing this allows you to do is over on your side over here, by properties, you have library, and all of your symbols will start showing up. So when you want to use him again, you just pull him out, and you can use that character over and over again. Be careful about modifying one, though. If you go into one and change the color on one of those characters to something, it'll do it to every single character. So you gotta watch out for that. If you want to change up a character, then what you need to do is come over to your library, right mouse click, and duplicate, and give it maybe a slightly different name. And then click OK. And then instead of just clicking on one of these, just double click. And now I can go ahead and just focus on that one character. And maybe I'll just change that to a pink one. And now I've got a slightly different pig that I can play with. So, but the big thing is just playing with your converting things to symbols by right mouse clicking and converting to a symbol, and then using your library over here. To get out of that, you just click back on properties.